Good day, everyone. This is my Ford Mustang 2017 V6. There was a small head unit because Mustang and Ford doesn't give you big touch screen or something like that. In V6 2017, it was only one model that was a standard, no premium one. So I got a Chinese head unit. It's a 10-inch Android screen that is pretty nice. Touch is very smooth, everything working smoothly. This is the Z-Link, that is for the CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, whatsoever you are having. Just like the few here and there, every time you will be missing something, some settings. Guys, everything is there, just the settings you have to change. Whenever you are doing the reset or you are changing the theme or anything, is saving and restarting the system, it will miss something. So there was a AM FM radio, but now if I click the radio, I don't hear anything. The sound will not come and this will not work. Okay, this will not work. What you have to do, go back, go in menu, go in car info. Okay, sorry, not in car info, go in my car. Okay, there are the different settings. Go in my car. In my car you will see the software version and everything. Now what you have to do, go in settings. In settings you have to go in other setting. Okay, go in other settings. In other settings you will see this menu, other settings, like outdoor temperature is not displayed, that you can switch it on, it will start displaying. Okay, then instrument time is not synchronized, that also you can synchronize. And then the flight menu, leave it as it is. Then the car radio, guys, this is taking from the old head unit that comes stock with the car. You have to turn it off to get the new radio. Just confirm, hit confirm. It will take 3 seconds. And as I said, whenever you are doing anything or whenever like you are just changing something, you are saving something, it will reboot the system. It will show you the logo. It will take some time to reboot and everything, and then it will come up. It will show you the Pony logo, but of course it's Android system, so you will be getting the Android logo, and it's running Android 10-inch screen. So it's beautiful, lovely. I love it. So far I'm enjoying and it's working fine. Only one problem, when I'm playing music or something, sometimes this next button and the previous button doesn't work. Only the volume work every time. All the time the volume buttons are working, but the play and previous, I don't know whether it's gonna work or not. Now after turning off that radio, the system radio, you have to turn it off. If you just click, you will get the radio. Okay, now everything will be working. It will scan, it will learn. So wherever you are, you can select a region and then you can like go. And the guys, like suppose if you want to go and change the radio settings, so you can go with the menu. Okay, go in car settings and then the radio area. Here is the radio area. You can go and select whatever you want to change the different region. Here also you can change, or else there is a other way. Go in the system settings, go in factory settings. Okay, this head unit normally is take the passcode 1617. There is another passcode 16176699. So I'm just going with the normal one, 1617, because I don't have to go in the depth details and all. Here if you go in the radio settings, it will show you the RDS switch. Just turn it off. FM sensitivity 0, AM 0, light on sensitivity 0, default radio area. Here you can go the world, or you can go to USA or whatever you want to go. I just kept it to USA, and then you have to hit the save. Whenever you're going, you have to hit the save here. Okay, and everything would be perfect. Just confirm, then get back, go the radio would be working fine. Okay, let me check my buttons, it's working or no. I don't know, like sometime if we go and play. Okay, from here I can go. I don't know, like from the button it's gonna work or no. Yup, it's working. The funny thing, they have put some Chinese songs and it's SD card and your pen drive. If you are adding the pen drive, it will show here. So you have to go to the menu, select all, cut or copy, then again go back to SD card. SD card means it will come in the system, and then down you will get the paste button. The paste will not come here in the menu. You have to go here. It's very simple and easy, guy. So you can just like put some music directly in the system. So every time you don't have to put the pen drive, you don't have to connect the phone. You just drive, enjoy the music.